Yeah, okay. I know that most of my friends have been disturbing my life with grave concern the increasing activities of unscrupulous individuals and unauthorized groups who illegally usurp diplomatic titles and fraudulently confer same, specifically the title of ambassador, upon themselves or unsuspecting members of the public. Such titles are not recognized under Nigerian laws or relevant international conventions. The criminal acts perpetrated by unpatriotic elements, which has become worrisome in recent times, include the unauthorized use of titles such as ambassador, diplomatic envoy, or any other diplomatic nomenclature by persons who have not been duly appointed or accredited by the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The fraudulent conferment of such titles by self-proclaimed organizations, foundations, institutes, or individuals. The use of fake passports, fake diplomatic passports, identity cards, vehicle number plates, or fake governments bearing the insignia of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The ministry warns that individuals parading themselves as ambassadors based on such deceitful conferments are engaging in impersonation, which is a criminal offense, and therefore strongly cautions all persons involved in such illegalities or parading themselves as ambassadors to desist forthwith. For the avoidance of doubt, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs wishes to state unequivocally that it is only the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria who have the prerogative to appoint and accredit ambassadors. Besides Mr. President, no individual, group, or non-governmental entity is permitted to confer diplomatic or ambassadorial titles. More so, ambassadorial titles are not conferred with the payment of money or subscription to membership in non-governmental organizations. Whereas the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is not against the nomination and appointment of qualified Nigerians in all spheres of life as brand ambassadors, which is a form of recognition or aimed at advertising a product or service. However, it is important to make the clarification that brand ambassadors have no legal right to add the title of ambassador to their names because that is not recognized by our laws. The ministry is working with relevant security agencies, the Nigerian Immigration Service, the Federal Road Safety Corps, and the Vehicle Inspection Office and other relevant other stakeholders to ensure that any individual or group found engaging in the usurpation of or fraudulent conferment of ambassadorial titles and issuance of fake and unauthorized diplomatic vehicle plate numbers are prosecuted in line with the law. The federal government remains committed to protecting the integrity of Nigerian diplomatic service. I will not tolerate any form of misrepresentation that brings the nation to disrepute. So thank you very much. So that's what we have to say about
the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Is there any way you are to become an ambassador of the country? Is there any way that you have on ground, any themselves that they issue ID card and they call themselves ambassador? We've had it over the year. And also on Spy TV. All right, thank you very much.